what are the kind of challenges and forecasts do you see for the trade finance market and its
So as I
instruments?
told you that forecast of the trade finance market, I've already told you that it is estimated somewhere around 3.88 billions by 2027. But after COVID, it was thought that there is going to be a robust growth in the India's trade finance scenario, in the trade scenario. Even the forecast was very strong. But unforeseen situations like Ukraine happened. The global recession came because after COVID, things were moving up, and then suddenly this Ukraine situation came. So there has been a recession risk that is being seen. The inflation is high. At the same time, if you can see that the dollar against rupee is also in a very, very downward trend. So despite of all this that has gripped the financial market, the India's growth prospects remains very strong and resilient. And despite this headwinds of geopolitical developments because of this Ukraine and Russia war, elevated crude prices, tighter external financial conditions, high frequencies, several sectors are also facing problems. The rupees tend to be a bit weak for a very short time, but still there's a lot of growth prospects that are there, which is being seen or foreseen. Now, if we go to the different parameters in the challenges and the prospects or the opportunities that we see in the trade finance market. So recently, there have been quite a lot of trade finance agreements that have been signed by the government. So one with the Europe is already in the pipeline, so that will increase the competitiveness of the Indian exporters in the international market. Also, the banks and financial agencies are enhancing their trade finance or facilitation programs. Digitization is playing a huge role. If you see, a lot of banks are coming up with digitization solutions. They are coming up with tie-ups with a lot of fintechs who are at the back end providing a digitization solutions for the trade finance.